In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from your eBay account. This is a simple yet crucial process, especially if you've recently changed devices or want to enhance the security of your account. Ensuring that only your current devices have access to your eBay account is a great way to protect your personal information and transactions. Let's get started. First, head over to ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account using your usual credentials. It's important to ensure you're on the official website to avoid any phishing sites that could compromise your information. After logging in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the page. You'll see your profile name or icon there. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This section is where you can manage a variety of preferences related to your account, including security settings. Next, once you're in the Account Settings menu, locate the Sign In and Security option. Click on this to enter the page where you can manage all aspects of your account's security. eBay takes account security seriously, and this section is where you'll find all the tools to keep your account safe. After clicking Sign In and Security, look for the Devices You Trust section. This area lists all devices that currently have access to your eBay account. Next to this section, click on View. It's always good practice to periodically review which devices have been logged into your account to catch any suspicious activity early on. Now that you've clicked on View, you will see a list of devices associated with your eBay account. This list includes any smartphone, tablet, or computer that has been used to sign into your account. Go through the list carefully. If you spot any devices you don't recognize or no longer use, you'll want to remove them. Lastly, select the device you want to remove and follow the prompt. Once you confirm this action, that device will no longer have trusted access to your eBay account. Removing a device might require you to verify your action through a confirmation email or text, adding an extra layer of security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to remove devices from your eBay account. Remember to periodically review which devices have access to your account and remove any that are unrecognized or outdated. This simple routine will help you maintain control over your account and ensure your information remains safe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.